Welcome back to another week in astronomy for Science from Home. My favorite stories this week are about a planet that never existed and musical black holes. In 2008, researchers detected the light of a planet around the nearby Fomalhaut star, only 25 light years away. This was one of the first visual detection of an exoplanet. It was so significant that the exoplanet was given a proper name, Dagon, after a Middle Eastern god. But the planet never existed. What was spotted was a much rarer event. Two objects roughly 200 kilometers in diameter hit each other. The collision stayed visible for a while, planet-like at first, but as the debris expanded, it disappeared. The second story is about the first detection of gravitational waves from a collision of black holes of different masses. So far, all black holes merger detected were between objects of roughly the same size. These instead have a ratio of 3.6. One is 30 times the mass of the Sun, and the other one is 8 times the mass of the Sun. The disparity also allowed for the first observation of the overtones in the signal, and for these black holes, it was pretty musical. The difference between the main frequency and the overtones were a perfect fifth, like the first notes of Elvis' Can't Help Falling in Love. Wise men say...
Cut!
In better musical performances, the LIGO and Virgo team always turn the signal from the waves into an audible signal. It's called a chirp, and here it is. Have a great weekend and keep looking up in the sky.